Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Join us this week as we travel down I-35W to our hometown in one of our favorite towns in the whole world, the Panther City. Not that panther, dummy, this panther. Where you may have to fear the frog, but not the hot Texas sun, because we'll show you how we turned this into this. And all of that's next on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com, if you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. So let's take just a second and let's talk about this job and the challenges. This is a freshly remodeled house, and that back is facing dead west. And even though you can see that big tree, the way that tree has lived its life, it really only shaded where that barbecue grill is. The customer really couldn't decide if they wanted to remove the tree or leave it, and we thought, heck man, that tree's too old, you don't need to do that. We'll just design something that goes around it and works with it, which is what we did. Another part of the design element was, you see that big black umbrella sitting there. Well, they wanted to make sure that they could leave that and even open it when the pergola was built over it, which made that side really tall. So, as not to make it look weird, we decided on a split level design, and it really worked. Now, the next thing is the fact that due to the size of this pergola, due to the tree, we were going to have 4 posts in front and 4 posts in back. The other thing is that deck is about 4 foot off the ground, so we had to take the deck apart, the tops off, go down and dig a hole 18 inches wide, 18 inches deep, where every post was going to go be, pour it full of concrete, make a pier that the post could sit on top of, held securely by a Simpson post base. Okay, the boring part's over, but you know that's important for you to know when you buy one, to know that you're getting what you're supposed to get from a contractor and they're not taking shortcuts. So those posts, all 8 of them are 6 by 6. Those horizontal beams running across the front, those are 2 by 12s, and you'll notice they're doubled, right? There's 2 of them. The joists, which are running from the back of the house out to the front, those are 2 by 6s. And for the shade boards, because it was so big we want it to look massive, those are 2 by 4 Western red cedars. Now, take a note how cool that is that we built that around that tree. Now, there's plenty of room for that tree to sway in the breeze and all that, but it just makes it like it ties it all together, and this family is oh so happy. Well, you know what that music means. It's time for me to shut the heck up, let you guys take one long last look at this job, and then we'll pile back in the car and head back to Denton County. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.